Rockler is having a toy build today. We have a series of volunteers from the Guild that are doing several different tasks. We have some parts for little race cars that we let kids at the woodworking show assemble. So those get some milling work done, rounding over the edges, sanding after they're done, drilling holes for the axles, cutting axles to length. We also are working with Rockler, who has several scroll saws set up, and we have some members that are showing the public who has been invited to come in and learn how to use a scroll saw, where we've been giving them some instructions on how to operate the machine safely.
Well, we're very happy that the St. Louis Woodworkers Guild is here for the second annual Toy Build Day, and working with our own customers who have volunteered their time making toys for the children in area hospitals.
We also use this as a time where we can talk to people that are interested in woodworking, with the benefit for us that some of them become new members.
We very much appreciate the Guild and their outreach programs. They have several. We love that they support the hobby of woodworking, the craft of woodworking. So it's a win-win for everybody.